Okay, I'm ready. Today I took a loss, unfortunately, but I felt pretty good about it. 920, 25. Alright, so we had CPI, 830. Obviously did a lot. Um, Kind of looking back at it, overall bias should have been, if I just look at these highs and looking at this gap. And this gap kind of already got filled, still like a very high area of, at least, oops. So that's the area that could get like retapped into whatever. Um, Coming to market open, there's draws to the downside, but I mean, if we take out these highs, we're pretty far off. I feel like definitely possible, but coming in, price instantly takes out those highs. But this stays MES is really bearish. Then get an S&T break 5 minute structure. At that point, I'm like, bro, like, but kind of got to take it. Maybe wait for the 15 minute to close. See the 15 minute on both sides. I close after this 5 minute candle. I'm like, all right, well, we'll want to manipulate a little more. We get this candle, then I'm like, well, actually, at that point, I already entered because MQ had. But you see, it's reacting off this gap, which I didn't really think about because they already got tapped into, and it wasn't on MES. We invalidated this. I'm like, all right, well, that's my 1 minute entry. I'm like, I don't really want to enter on MQ because MES is more bearish, which I'm low-key kind of fine with. Um, but I might want to redo that. But I sold on MES. It was a little lower, it was like down here probably. But stops were, yeah, stops were like here, but it was like 25 ticks. So it was, yeah, it was probably entered around here, with TPs being, first TP would be here, and then all the way down here. That's what, well, this I would have moved it to break even. That was my sell. It's honestly a really good setup. Like 15 minute close, 5 minute structure, got to retrace. The only thing maybe is that I probably want to manipulate more, so it did end up coming up and making a SMT. Oh, this kept going higher. Yeah, this is where it got weird. I was already in the trade. Now it made an S&T. So honestly, entering here probably would have been a lot better. Maybe on MEQ and having stops above that. And then that low-key would have banged on MEQ. Um, MEQ does tend to move more. Like today it was just tragic. Like, but today was just tragic. Bro, my mom's actually this is back. One thing I've been reading is like just being more objective, like I said last time, but also like the market's neutral, so it's not like trying to. This is me reading the flow, and me thinking that it's against me or me trying to fight the market is only going to make me lose more. I have nothing to prove to the market. I just try to go with it. I try to just flow with it as long as I can. Is really how you should think about it. Barely. missed the 5 minute lows, which would have led me to be break even for the day. Yeah, but I was like, I wanted this to. It was literally it was literally a tick away. So it could have been break even, but I literally don't care anymore, bro. Like I just have to follow my rules no matter what. Uh, if it would have came down and then not stopped me out, and it kept going lower, would have been money. So it is what it is. I think yeah, so close, bro. Ended up going higher in the day. Yeah. Overall, I don't think it's like to everything. Not a bad trade. It's just, I think one of the better trades, honestly. Actually, really like that type of setup. MES was lower. If I would have entered on M&Q, I think the biggest thing was waiting for one of the pairs to take out a 1 minute high. Didn't even retrace yet, but I'm not even mad with that. That's that's just because we had no sort of retrace and it was at the beginning of the market. If it was like 950, that sort of entry was completely fine. That's basically it. And I will work to do better and continue being more objective. I think my friend just got here. Bye bye.